Tariki nario ari ne 16 naguo mweri ari wa muthatu mwaka ari wa 2024 ngai kugeithia na ngai kunyita ugeni guko ari ni metha-ini ya Muthingi TV Gikunjuro kia mohoro niguo ngikumenyithia uria bururi uragithie na mbere na kwigaria ngai kuririkania ati no ikorwo kiaraniria na ithu kugera kuria nenda citu cia ukinyaniria Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, YouTube ni Muthingi TV, ni ngikwamukira riakwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi na tukianjiria na maria tugikuhariirie twakianjiria kaunti-ini ya Embu na ni ati kana ni ati mubunge wa mbere ya rugongo kaunti-ini ya Embu ni Geoffrey Ruku ni agiki kana ni agikirire na njira nene magavana ni kiria augite ati ni makoretwo makiregeria moko ma wira-ini na makiria matura-ini kuringana na mubunge uyu ni Ruku ni akiugite ati thirikari nene iyo ni igikinyanirie makinya mayo ma utungata na makiria ma ugima wa mwiri kuri muingi na uguo thirikari cia matura citiagirwo gukorwo igikuithia thirikari nene murigo.
In health sector, county governments have key functions which include planning of the health of each and every county or health sector of each and every county. County governments have a function on budgeting because that was the constitution of the Republic of Kenya says. County government work on a function of human resource to ensure nurses, doctors, clinical officers, and other people who are working in hospitals are well taken care of. There are resources to ensure that human resource within the health sector, in our county government, in our hospitals across the country, that role, that function is squarely under the county government. Also budgeting, as well as provision of emergency medicines and also provision of medical supplies. Unaona madaktari wako nyumbani, madaktari wanagoma. Kwa nini madaktari wanagoma? Madaktari wanagoma katika nchi yetu ya Kenya because most of the county government in the Republic of Kenya are not taking seriously these key functions which they have been given by the constitution of the Republic of Kenya. Na zile county ambazo zinafanya ama magavana wanafanya kazi sawa sawa, we don't have that challenge. And we have quite a few of them. We are calling upon all the county government, all the governors of the Republic of Kenya, the Council of Governors, which is chaired by Governor Waiguru. Please, let the governors put their act in order so that we can see doctors, nurses, clinical officers performing what they are supposed to be performing in our dispensaries, in our hospitals, level 4, level 5, across the nation of the Republic of Kenya.
Nayo kanjũ ya urumwe wa gitaru kia Afrika niyo AU ni kiguithanirie na kayo kamwe ati ni ihinda ria gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro gukorwo ikineana maritũ ma aria makirongoreirie kana makiri na itanya ria kuhuranira na makiria muikare urugamiriri karigite wa kanjũ ino ni kuringana na ndomereri iria ikiheanitwo ni minister wa maundu ma nanja urundumwe na nyabara ndudu-ini ya minister ni Musalia Mudavadi na uria ukiguithanirie kana ukiugite ati ni maiguithanirie gukorwo makenyita mbaru na makiria ha mutongoria wa mwaho wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga na uria ukiheanite mito yake ya gukorwo akihuranira urumwe uyu aritie hari bururi-ini wa Ethiopia.
This was an extraordinary session of the Executive Council, and it was called by the Assembly of Heads of State. Last time we were here at the February summit, and it became very critical because the issue of the future of the African Union was at stake in the context of the forthcoming elections of the African Union Commission leadership in February next year. When we were at summit, there were legal and technical issues that required urgent clarification so that the process of transiting from the leadership of the African Union Commission today to the next leadership through the proper electoral process can be done smoothly. So this session was very important. I want to appreciate and thank our brothers and sisters in the African continent for making it clear removing all ambiguities that it is the turn of East Africa to provide leadership or to offer leadership in the African Union. So that is a very important statement, and equally for the deputy in the northern region. What it means for us in the East African region is that effectively all technical and legal hurdles have now been removed, and Kenya can now formally submit the candidate for the region, and really I don't have to mince my words anymore. Nothing
Uria ukurikanite tahamaniri oro ndumwe na makiria ma ciringi milioni 70 kuma kuri muingi akiheana itua riri cirithania wa igoti iria Naikuru uikaine ta Ruth Kefa nĩaraikorirwo akimurekereria na bodi ya ciringi milioni 8 na kuheana giathi gia ugathikĩrĩrio gwa cira uyu kuri tariki 28 mweri-inĩ uyu.
Ndio ndio itirekerwo kiri no go da kuma out of curiosity. Nake mutumia wa munini wa president ni Pastor Dorcas Rigathi ni agithingatite muingi gukorwo ukiaga guconorithagia atumia adigwa na makiria riria maragibatara uteithio oro wothe akiaria hari kana ari county-ini ya Laikipia mwena wa Muhotetu kanitha-ini umwe wa PCA hindi ya gukinyiria uteithio kuri atumia aya adigwa ni akimoritie kana ni agithingatite muingi ukoragwo ukimateithĩrĩria na njira egwetio hindi yo ni acakaite na njira nene mathina maria mamatungaga na makiria kumana na uhaguku wa ugitiri uria uhanikaga matũra-ini ma mwena uyu ugitabanio ni itoi cia wici wa mahiu.
Ukipatia hawa kina mama, my governor, ukiwapatia hawa kazi, hii Laikipia itabadilika. Hii mikono unaona hivi imebarikiwa sana na Bwana. Na tunataka waanze miradi ambaye si ya ile merry-go-round. Tunataka miradi ambaye inawapatia pesa za kutosha, wanaweza kujenga manyumba, wanunue magari. Tunataka waweze kuwa wanajimudu, maisha yao imeboreka, hata wao waweze kulipa school fees za watoto wao. Kwa sababu hakuna mtu anapenda kila siku kuomba. Ukitaka basare unaenda unaandikishwa, wewe mzee yako amekufa, leta certificate ya death, enda kwa chifu, enda kwa headman, enda kwa nani anamjua huyu, unasimamishwa. Aibu mingi. Na niwaongeleshe kina mama, mnaona hizi balaa, mnaona na insecurity hii iko Laikipia, nyinyi wenyewe ndio mtatatua hii maneno. Mnatakikana muanze kuongea na watoto wenu, muongee na wazee wale wako karibu na nyinyi.
We are not going to let you down. We are going to support you. Mama, mimi nakwambia kuanzia leo nitaanza kutafuta viongozi ya hawa watu, kwanza nikae chini na wao tuanze kutengeneza miradi na programs zao zile zinahusu maisha yao.
Riboti yo kuma mwena wa muhotetwo ari ni kaunti ya Laikipia igakihemwe kengi gikorwo ikiria oro hanini ngaikuririkania githi na mbere na kwaraniria na nie kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyaniria gwa Facebook ni ati Muthingi TV, YouTube ni Muthingi TV. Ngaikuririkania githi na mbere na gutihokera wiroreri wa kundugathi kuraihu ni amu ni ndiragicokeria na mangi maingi.
Tere, mambo ni mawili, kufikisha, kumwaga na kurudi. Kulala ni mwaka mpya.
Bua muka we mse. Nini mbaya? Wewe kwani wani vile dereva anaendesha gari vibaya, lazima tususe. Anaendesha gari na kwa simu the whole time hata angalia barabara. Simamisheni dereva tusimame. Wewe dereva wewe, mwaka iliyopita peke yake watu zaidi ya 1000 walipoteza maisha yao barabarani kwa sababu ya tabia kama hizo. Hautatuangamiza tukiona.
Naomba msamaha, nitampeleka vizuri.
Si wameomba msamaha. Sasa tuende tusafiri kwa mwendo wa aste.
Dere Smart hufikisha abiria salama. Ujumbe huu umeletwa kwako na NTSA kwa ushirikiano na European Union.
University of Nairobi is a distinguished institution of higher learning dedicated to nurturing your intellectual curiosity and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. From state-of-the-art laboratories to modern libraries equipped with the latest resources, we provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Choose from a wide range of programs designed to prepare you for challenges of tomorrow's world. Whether in STEM, humanities, business, or the arts, our strong industry connections and career service support will help you translate your education into meaningful career opportunities upon graduation. Join a vibrant community of scholars from around the world, fostering cultural exchange, collaboration, and lifelong friendships. Book your space now for September intakes. Log in to https://www.uonbi.ac.ke for a wide range of courses to choose from. You can also contact +254 020 491 0000 or email us at pr@ounbi.ac.ke. Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro. Ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera +7 7 572 358 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Gagi kunyita ugeni oro ringi twiko tugithie na mbere na turagicoka tukiri kaunti-ini ya Kajiado mwena wa Kitengera na ni ati kumana na makaya ma aikari mwena uyu oro ndume na mirurungano iria ikoretwo igitafanio ni atwarithia a nduthi hamwe na matereba aria mahuthagira bara nene ya kuma Kitengera guthie na Manga. Riu aikari makiri na gitumi gia gukungwira na ni thutha wa ruhonge rwa waki wa mabarabara niruo kura gukorwo makiranira gukorwo magithondeka bara ino. Ni hindi ino kuria maabitha oro undu umwe na ene kandarathi kuma ruhonge ruru maugite ati magukorwo magikinyaniria waki uyu niguo kwaura menyamariko minene iria magikoretwo magitungio kumana na uthuku wa bara. Ni hindi ino kuria aikari maikitie ritana kuri ruhonge ruru gukorwo rukimakuruhania na kumahe mieke ya mawira hindi ya waki wa bara ino.
Na tulimwambia hapo kwa mkutano kwamba tunataka ajira ya vijana. Tuko na vijana wengi sana hapa Kitengela ambao hawana kazi, na hakuna maana kuimport hiyo kazi kuleta hapa kama tuko na vijana wetu hapa Kitengela wapewe kazi. Na nimeinsist kabisa, na bado nina insist, ambia contractor lazima ajiri wakazi wa Kitengela, hasa vijana ambao hawana kazi, kwa sababu
ambao wameengroach ambao wamejenga kwa barabara. Tumeongea through the DCC na leadership ya county na ofisi ya mheshimiwa, tumeongelesha wananchi na wamekubali kwamba wataondoa hiyo vitu ambao wameweka kwa barabara. Hatutahitaji enforcement kutoka kwa serikali kwa sababu wananchi wenyewe wamekubali kwamba wataondoa hiyo encroachment. Kwa ajira tumeongea na contractor, amekubali kwamba up to 5% within up to 95% ya employees wake unskilled labor atatoa kutoka kwa community. Wale watatoa tu wale skilled labor, labda plant operators ndio watatoka mbali. Hata hivyo the contractors also committed that kama kuna watu ambao wanatoka community wenye wako na skilled, they will be considered, watakuwa incorporated as part of.
Tumekuja kuomba kilomita 9 zote. Tumengoja sana. Siku moja mama jirani amezalia kwa gari. Niliteseka sana kwa sababu ya hiyo barabara. Sio mimi peke yangu, ninyi wote mmeteseka.
Tutigane na icio kuma kaunti ya Kajiado tukihuke nginyagia mwena wa Bumula. Na ni ati mũmbunge wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ kĩa Bumula nĩ Jackwa Mboka nĩ agicakaĩte na njĩra nene nĩ kumana na kĩrĩa augĩte atĩ nĩ akoretwo akĩamũkĩra mĩkana kuma kũrĩ atongoria amwe thirikari-inĩ. Wamboka augĩte atĩ mĩkana ĩno yumanĩte na mĩario yake ĩrĩa agĩkorirwo akĩrekereria hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto agĩkoretwo agĩcera kĩganda-inĩ gĩa cukari kĩa Mumias. No na ũkĩrĩ ũguo kana ona ũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩ akoretwo agĩkomithia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩ kĩrĩa augĩte atĩ ndĩkoretwo ĩgĩciria mũingĩ kuona atĩ makoretwo makĩgathĩka magoti kũrĩ indo ngũrani, ũndũ ũrĩa ũgĩthiĩte na mbere na kũhatĩrĩria mĩtũrĩre ya aingĩ.
Ndio maana walipokaa wakasema wanauza Nzoia, wakaenda wakafanya porojo. Hiyo Nzoia ilikuwa imeuzwa kitambo, walikuwa wamepangana kitambo kuuza Nzoia. Mimi nikasema mimi ni mbunge wa Bumula, lakini Nzoia nikasema vile naongea hivi, watu wakasema wameitwa Nairobi mkutano. Mimi nikasema Mheshimiwa Rais, State House yendi, tukutane kwa ground, tukutane Nzoia. Hiyo maneno imeniandama sana, wamenitishia sana kwa mambo mingi. Sema Wamboka will deal with you. Wamboka, nasema sawa, kama ni kwa sababu ya watu wangu, mimi sitakosa kukosoa serikali. Na mimi situkani mtu. Kwa siasa yangu mimi sijawahi kutukana mtu. Rais Ruto ni rafiki yangu, nimetembea na yeye sana. I wish him well, but I must protect the interests of my people. Na mimi kama kuna mtu anafikiria atatisha mimi ni wacha, ndio nitakuwa mbaya zaidi. Watu wangu, niendelee ama nisiendelee? Niendelee ama nisiendelee? Sasa wameenda wamechukua wale wapinzani wangu. KRA kuja hapa kusumbua watu wangu, hatutakubali. Sasa iko ingine nakuja, atukiwa na mifugo tunalipia. Sasa saa hii wanasema maziwa ushuru inaenda juu, mkate unaenda juu. Watu wa Bumula, je, huo ni ungwana? Mnataka mbunge wenyu apinge ama asipinge? Haya, mimi mkiniambia hivyo nitaendelea hivyo.
tutigane na icio tukirongorerie ciĩgiĩ ungumania na nĩ atĩ atongoria a kĩndini nĩ magĩikĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ mũingĩ kũnyitanĩra na thirikari gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ makĩhukia ungumania gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Magĩtongoretio nĩ mũthikabu wa kanitha wa ACK Diocese ya Machakos nĩ Joseph Mutungi, nĩ makiugĩte atĩ kana nĩ augĩte atĩ mbara ĩno nĩ yonekete gũkorwo ĩkĩregerio ũndũ ũrĩa ũthiĩte na mbere kana ũthiĩte na mbere kuongerera ungumania gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. No hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩ agĩthiĩ kana nĩ akĩgathĩrĩirie thirikari nĩ ikinya rĩayo gũkorwo yambĩkĩte mbara ya ndũgũgio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ itemi-inĩ rĩa gũthara mbeũ njĩthĩ.
In the name of God the Father, Son and the Holy Spirit. Amen. God bless you. Happens if somebody gets employed or somebody is given an opportunity to serve the community. Like myself, I'm a bishop. And then somebody else is a teacher, somebody else is a doctor, somebody else is a government officer, civil servant. Why should you ask for money, for a bribe to assist somebody? When do you get 50,000 from poor person, somebody who is struggling with even food to eat? And therefore this is corruption, and God hates that. And I can say that when we get employed, we are employed by God's mercy, and these are opportunities to us to do service delivery, and we are not able, we should not ask for anything or favor, because when you bless somebody, God will bless you more, and then God has blessed you there for a purpose. So to me, this bribery issues is corruption, and I want to say that whoever is involved in that kind of life should face the law. Doesn't matter whether he's an administrator in the ward, doesn't matter whether he's a chief, doesn't matter whether he's a professional. Why should you ask for bribe? Even for the professors, students to pass the exam, when you know you have not even taken them through the program and you want a bribe just to make them pass. That's why we are having poor service delivery, because the people who are offering these services have not gone through the right process of learning. And therefore, we also want to pray that these people are Christians, and the people who are Christians should act as Christians, and not to ask for these bribes and everything that it does development and progress of the community.
Na riboti ĩyo ĩgiĩ kũhũrana na ungumania bũrũri-inĩ nĩ yakĩnjĩkĩra gaturumo ka marĩa ndagĩkorwo ngĩkũmathĩra na ngĩgũcokanĩrĩria gũkũ metha-inĩ Mũthingi TV arĩ Gikunjuro kĩa mohoro. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno ũmũthĩ akĩrĩ nĩ mũthĩ wa Jumamothi, nĩ weekend ndikĩrĩ weekend ya kũrakĩinĩkĩria ũkĩrĩ mwena ũrĩkũ. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno kũrĩ arĩa magĩkorwo makĩnyitanĩra na niĩ kũrĩa nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria, mũndũ ũgĩtwo Jowathi kuma mwena wa Kĩrĩnyaga agĩkorwo akĩrĩ barothi wa arĩa magĩũkĩra kũgera nenda cia ũkinyanĩria, mũndũ ũgĩtwo Beki wa Nja kũrĩa mwena wa Rware. Big up nĩ ngatho makĩria nĩ gũkorwo ũkĩrĩ hamwe na ithuĩ. No itanakiumĩra nĩ nyendaga Ngai gũtiga na ithagunia, na nĩ ndĩrakĩenda gũkorwo ũgĩciria ũhoro wa meri rĩrĩa ĩkĩrĩ iria-inĩ, na nĩ ũgũkĩona iria-inĩ nĩ gũkoragwo na maĩ maingĩ mũno, no maĩ macio matitũmaga meri ĩgatuĩka ya gũtoberera, no ĩndĩ nĩmo matũmaga ĩhote gũthiĩ na mbere na thabarĩ yayo. No maĩ marĩa kana tũmaĩ tũnini tũrĩa tũngĩingĩra meri-inĩ ĩno nĩtuo tũtũmaga ĩtoberere. Ndikĩũĩ hihi we nĩ kaũndũ karĩkũ kau, kana hihi nĩ kaũndũ karĩkũ kangĩtũma wage gũkinyanĩria cioneki ciaku kana thabarĩ yaku. Ti mathĩna marĩa mena kũu nja, no nĩ marĩa ũrĩreka maingĩre thĩinĩ waku. Nĩ ithagumia. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno Ngai kwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega gĩthiĩ na mbere na kwĩrorera tabarĩra cia Mũthingi TV. Ndũgagĩkorwo ũgĩthiĩ kũraihu nĩ amu ciahanda thaa 8. Mũndũ gwĩtwo ti Wambui wa Njaũ nĩ aragĩũka na tabarĩra ya metameta cia mathako. Ngai kwendithĩria mahinda mega, nowe mũrĩkĩnyitanĩra nake ciahanda thaa 1 cia hwainĩ kũmenyithia ũrĩa bũrũri ũragĩthiĩ na mbere na kwĩgariũra nginyagia mũthĩ ũngĩ. Niĩ rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Mũrugi.